Welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing current events. I'll be offering healthy recipes and tips on how to be a baddie on a budget. Please like, subscribe, and be sure to share. Vegan tuna salad. So I use boiled chickpeas, some diced onion and celery, some vegan mayonnaise, and relish. Smash the chickpeas. They're pretty soft, and if some are still whole, it's perfectly okay. It's edible. Just gives the consistency. Add as much mayonnaise as you like that you usually use with your tuna. Then I'm going to add the celery and onion. You can add bell pepper if you like. I did not. But just use whatever your standard tuna recipe is for your taste. I added a little more mayonnaise. Mix well, and just keep in mind when you have it in the refrigerator it may dry out a little, so I do make mine a little moist with the mayonnaise. Add a relish. I usually use about a tablespoonful. I really don't measure anything, but hey, there's no set recipe. Do whatever you like. Mix it up well, and that's about it. We usually eat ours with pita chips or some type of veggie crackers or something like that, and there you go. Pretty simple. The longest part is boiling the chicken.